All right, today I'm going to take a look at the four-wheel drive, the different modes that this car can go in. So before we get started, can you give me a thumbs up? And remember to read your owner's manual so you know how to operate this properly, okay? So I'm just going to show you what is down here, okay? The car is in parked right here. Right here, as you can see right here, these are different modes that you can have the vehicle in, okay? Right here is like just 2x mode, so like that's the rear two tires, I believe. Check your owner's manual to make sure that's correct. That it is in right now, okay? I can take it to 4x4 mode by going right there. 4x4 all-wheel drive. Woohoo! All right. Sport mode, turn it a little bit like that, goes in sport mode. Mountainous hill mode, yeah, right there. All right, trailer mode, like that. A lot of different modes on this vehicle, right? All right, back down to two-wheel drive right here. A lot of options. Read your owner's manual so you know how to operate this. Really cool car. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Thanks a lot for watching.